Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's JD, and we are back for a new video where we are building the ultimate SACTIONAL. That's right, it's not just a couch, it's a SACTIONAL. Thanks to our friends over at LoveSac who sent us this enormous amount of couch material, and also they have collaborated with Harman Kardon, and they have this new technology called StealthTech inside the couch where you can listen to movies, music, television. It basically comes with like a subwoofer, a sound bar. You get to put it up on the television, and next thing you know, the back panels of your couch are playing music and playing crazy noises. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. It's gonna be crazy. I streamed this on twitch.tv/runJDrun. And yeah, if you wanna see more lifestyle content, you know what to do. Hit the like button. All right, with that, let's get started. All right, everybody, so finally the LoveSac StealthTech SACTIONAL is complete with full StealthTech technology inside. There is a subwoofer under one of those seats. We've got left and right channels for audio. There's also satellites in the back. It's an amazing couch. I've been using it for about maybe a month because it took a little while to get all of the pieces together, and it's been great. So as you can see here, this is what the living room looks like with the SACTIONAL in place. Everything is clean, pretty sweet, perfect. We've got these really cool coasters that help us out. They hold cups and drinks. There's also one that actually has like a particular holster on it. It's really nice. So this is the couch. We personally love it, and I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes explainer of all of the details that come with this SACTIONAL. Let's do it. When it comes to the SACTIONAL, it features surround sound by Harman Kardon. You can also use the app to create your own customized listening experience where you can just make your own sound profile within the app. And they've got premium technology embedded inside these SACTIONALs. The technology and wires are all invisible. And there is wireless charging embedded in both arms of the couch. So yeah, with the Sound Plus Charge system, you can instantly turn your home into your own personal home theater. And that is the LoveSac StealthTech SACTIONAL, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to LoveSac for providing me with that product and sponsoring this video. If you'd like to learn more about LoveSac SACTIONALs, then click the link in the description below, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.